What's up, traders, and welcome back. Today, I want to be talking about drugs, specifically GLP-1 pills, which it seems like everybody is popping. And I got to run in a second here, so let's see if we can get this video under 5 minutes. This ticker just came out with a big FDA approval, which I didn't really expect it to be coming out right now. So I'm kind of viewing this as a little bit of an early Christmas present here. I want to talk about where we entered, why we entered, where we're going to probably sell it, what I'm looking for, and some comparables plus a quick little industry comparison. So right here, if we just go to their press releases, you'll see today NVO with the WAG-OV, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, pill, approved for the US. First oral GLP-1 for weight management. Guys, this is huge news. They're selling this between like $160, $170 because they want to be the market leader. They want market share. So this is cheap. Right now with Eli Lilly, I mean, you got these injectables that are costing you well north of $1,000. So, I mean, we're talking about one of those 10x reductions in price. So this is really big catalyst. And I like really simple stuff. I'm a simple guy when it comes to trading. I like support and resistance, and I like trend following, and I like theses that are very, very simple to get behind. I have done endless amounts of reading on this company, and I don't want to really talk about any of those specific drug terms or, all the science behind it, because to be honest, I could just be reading a whole bunch of fluff, and that's not really my forte. What my forte is the simplicity behind NVO and why I love pharmaceutical companies right now, like Pfizer, like NVO, because they are ugly ducks. They've been selling off now since COVID, a lot of them. People don't want to touch them. They're not the cool high flyer Max 7s, and these tickers are extremely depreciated. Look at this, down 70% after making almost a perfect head and shoulders right in this area. Boom, 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 boom. You'll see it right there. And look at this multi-month support zone right in the 470s, 480s, and that's where we've been accumulating this ticker. And I'll show you guys one of our accounts. It's my personal IRA account. I can't show you, unfortunately, our hedge fund accounts. Well, maybe I can, but I'm not going to. And you'll see our price point, or for my Roth IRA, was around 480. And man, this ticker had a 12%, roughly 12% move on that news. And this is a pretty big company, so that's really nice. But what are we going to do now? Are we just going to sell this ticker? What is the next step for us? Well, I'll tell you right now. I am looking for very simple, zoom out, look to your left, price targets. If we go back to the daily, you'll see major support and resistance zones. You can see here, we weren't able to break through this area and we bounced off this area. So that's going to be a first target right there. That's like a 14% move into the high 50s, low 60s. And then from there, maybe we'll have another move into the high 60s, 68, 69, somewhere in that price. That's what I'm generally looking for. But I do like to have more of a yearly 16-month time frame. And for that, I would be looking for maybe even a move to 78. Let's see if we can see a pretty solid 40-50% rally. That's what I'd be looking for, taking profits along the way, maybe fully selling it in the IRA since it's not a tax account, but the other one, maybe we can hold it and get a whole capital gains trade on that one. I mean, just look at Lilly, absolutely crazy on the weekly chart. Look at this descending channel that we broke out of, absolutely beautiful. Lilly is not so happy today, just about flat on the day. This is going to be taking some serious market share. So to be honest, Lilly is way too expensive for me. And look at this, PE ratio of NVO is 14. That's what we like to see, guys. This is a beauty. So this one has definitely upside potential. The PE ratio for biotech pharmaceutical companies is around 20. It says here 25, but it's more 20 right now since there's been a huge sell-off in pharmaceuticals and biotech. So the fact that this ticker is below that PE ratio, even though they have a really hot drug that was just FDA approved, makes me pretty bullish on this ticker. Makes me feel pretty comfortable holding this one overnight. I can sleep like a baby. So for me, big bull there. Look at that. We're at 4 minutes, 47 seconds. What do you guys think about NVO? Do you want me to talk a little bit more about it? Do you want me to dive into fundamentals? I am all ears, but quick little Christmas gift. Now, really quickly here, I'm going to leave this post in the video description below. This is me talking about finally accepting capital for the hedge fund that we launched last year. If you're interested, let me know, comment. I'll see you guys. Ciao.